Yeah, you gotta have. Oh my god.
Just set up the Hilleberg. Just
Yo,
chilling.
what's good?
We are so warm right now, so cozy.
We're just chilling.
Got all of our junk here. Melted snow to make some nice dehydrated meals. They're gonna be frozen by the time they're cooked. So
Yeah, we put them in the deep freeze.
So it's just ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
Can we get a look outside, see what's going on?
Oh, that's gorgeous.
We're gonna be buried.
Yeah, dude. We have like Homer Simpson and Mr. Burns on.
I'm Mr. Burns.
Yeah, I'll take that.